In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google and Bing as search engines for your WordPress site. This step-by-step guide will make your website more discoverable, ensuring your content reaches a wider audience. Firstly, let's start by integrating the WP travel engine. This is essential for your site's functionality and to prepare it for search engine integration. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Ensure you're familiar with your login credentials, as you'll need to navigate your domain's admin panel to make the necessary changes. Next, you'll want to install an SEO plugin. Head over to the plugins section in your dashboard and click on Add New. This is where you'll enhance your site's visibility by improving its search engine optimization capabilities. Now, in the search bar, type either Rank Math SEO or Yoast SEO. Both plugins are excellent choices for different preferences, promising comprehensive SEO tools. Once you've found your preferred plugin, click Install and then Activate. With the SEO plugin set up, we'll move on to registering your site with Google Search Console, a key step in allowing Google to index your web pages. Open a new browser tab and navigate to search.google.com/search console. This platform is crucial for tracking your site's performance on Google. Click on Add Property and then enter your website URL. Follow up by opting for HTML tag verification. Always back up any code before adding new script to your site. Once you've copied the verification code, return to the WordPress dashboard. In your SEO plugin settings, look for the Webmaster Tools section and paste the Google verification code here. Remember to save your changes to ensure the code is correctly added. Afterwards, head back to Google to verify your ownership of the site. This verification step is vital, as it confirms to Google that you have control over the domain. Now let's turn our attention to Bing. Visit www.bing.com/webmasters and sign in using your Microsoft account. You can add your site here as well by either importing it directly from Google Search Console or entering the details manually. This eases Bing's process of crawling your site. Returning to your SEO plugin, revisit the Webmaster Tools section to ensure everything is in place and then save your work. Verification with Bing involves a similar process, confirming that they can also track your site's activity. Finally, it's time to wait for indexing from both search engines. This part requires some patience, as it can take a few days for Google and Bing to start indexing your site completely. During this time, continue creating valuable content, optimizing it for search engines to aid in efficient indexing. That's it for this tutorial on adding Google and Bing search